Welcome back to another recipe for another SleepyTini, the drink that you want to have about an hour before bed to help you wind down, but also to enjoy. So today we're doing a Cranberry Chamomile Sunset SleepyTini. This one's actually really simple. You need some lime, chamomile tea, and cranberry juice. Now I recommend for all of these things and all of our recipes, you always buy natural, hopefully organic, none of these fruit juice mixes, cranberry juice cocktail or anything. No, actual cranberry juice, 100% cranberry juice, actual chamomile tea, actual limes, not the powdered lime or any of that type of stuff, the real thing. Because it just tastes so much better and it's entirely different when you get these artificial things with all sorts of chemicals and who knows what's in them. So this one we're going to do a little bit different than we do a lot of our SleepyTinis. In this case, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off with about a half a cup of chamomile tea. Okay. To that, we're going to add lime. I like to use my strainer. Make sure we don't get seeds inside. And so, oh my gosh, look at that lime juice. Okay, got our lime juice in here. Now, I know I said cranberry, but wait for it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this mixture in our martini shaker, add some ice. We're going to go ahead and shake it up. Okay, now in our martini shaker, we go ahead and put our mixture of the chamomile tea and the lime. You can see it's a very light color, almost colorless, but not entirely. And you said, well, what about the cranberry? Good question. Got some cranberry juice here. We're going to go ahead and add it slowly. On the top. Now that gives us a beautiful colored martini. Let's see what it smells like. Very light scent. Ooh, the mixture of the cranberry and the lime is something unlike anything I've had before. Wow, I can see this one in the wintertime, sitting in front of the fireplace, looking to get ready to go to bed while it's snowing outside and cold outside. You bury under your down comforter, you're going to be nice and snug and warm. And before you get into bed, you have one of these things. I don't know. I don't have a favorite SleepyTini yet because these are all so good. And don't take my word for it, give it a try. I'm giving you the recipe, try it out, see if it doesn't help you. But we do want to hear your comments, so please comment back after you give it a try. So this is our Cranberry Chamomile Sunset. Thanks for taking your time to watch and give it a try.